Hey guys, before we start, please make sure to stay until the end. We're going to talk about common mistakes people make that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video for any of you trying to find fuses relays for O2 sensor bank 1 sensor 1 and O2 sensor bank 1 sensor 2 on GMC Terrain, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2017. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics, oxygen sensors until you watch that video. We'll talk about testing the sensors as well, and if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can guys see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. So let's start on it now. Before we guys start, let us tell you quick a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos showing you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, relays. And by the way guys, on that generation GMC Terrain, we're going to have more than 150 videos alone for fuses, relays, why things don't work, how to fix them. Check it out, why we make those things to save you money, guys. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, you need to find a fuse for a fuel pump. You just come to the channel, watch the video for a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road. And on our YouTube channels we have more than 19,000 free repair videos, guys, that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. So guys, for the oxygen sensor, O2 sensor, bank 1, sensor 1 and 2, which fuses relays we need to check them to show you on that generation GMC Terrain. Quick advice from us, 9 out of 10 owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that GMC Terrain. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Terrain Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Go ahead and open the hood, and facing the engine here on the right side, guys, this is on the driver's side, that's a brake fluid reservoir. Next to it is the main engine fuse box. Release that clip here, a clip there, lift the cover up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is, guys, very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume, guys, that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen, guys, at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well, guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, for the oxygen sensors we practically have two fuses we need to check that are known as relay fuses. That tells you that you don't have any relays, but there is actually secondary relays that we need to check. We'll talk about that now, but first we want to explain the main fuses for the O2 sensors, oxygen sensors, and one of those is fuse number 41. This is one of the main fuses, and fuse number 42. These two fuses are the main fuses for the oxygen sensors right here. Now, if you want to see how to test upstream oxygen sensor or downstream oxygen sensor, we have videos on our YouTube channels that will teach you how to do that step by step. You can check the graphs, it's super easy without removing the sensors, and find out if they're good or bad. That way you do not waste your money. If you still have problems with them, even if you replace the sensor, you still have problems, check always the engine computer fuses and relays. Those are the secondary fuses relays that you will need to check. If you need help with that, the video will be on our YouTube channel. Check it out, guys. So guys, this generation GMC Terrain, it has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of fuses and relays, especially if you go in the engine compartment fuse box, you can see. Now, those could be sometimes hard to find. We'll recommend to always keep some spares in the glove box for peace of mind, because if you're in the middle of nowhere, guys, okay, and you need to find a replacement fuse for the fuel pump, you don't have one, you may be stuck there. So get some. We'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from. Check it out, and that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from. Hopefully the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.